In sports, we begin with a critical update. Jamaica's National Stadium is set for its most significant transformation in decades, with government moving ahead with an ambitious redevelopment design to modernize the country's premier sporting venue. Speaking during her sectoral debate presentation in Parliament, Sports Minister Olivia Grange unveiled updated designs for the project, which she says will prepare Jamaica to host more international sporting and entertainment events.
We will increase seating capacity to 37,500 with roof coverage and shade for every seat. There will be improved views from every seat. We will move the seats closer to the action and improve safety for everyone. The concert capacity with people not only in stands but on the field will be 50,000. Additionally, the new stadium will have 30 boxes and 2 VIP royal boxes. There will be 2 hospitality lounges, a fan boulevard, and 2 fan zones. We will also be putting in meeting accommodation and dedicated media suites with TV studio, broadcast facilities, and a venue operations center.
The redevelopment will also feature new hospitality lounges, media suites, a multi-purpose sports hall, a dedicated throws area, upgraded parking facilities, and improvements to Stadium East. Minister Grange also highlighted another milestone, announcing that the National Stadium's new track has officially earned World Athletics Class 1 certification.
All synthetic surface field test measurements comply with World Athletics requirement. Madam Speaker, what this means is that the National Stadium track, the beautiful, unique black, gold, and green track, is certified. And we have the certification in hand. And it is certified as a Class 1 facility. So our athletes can now be fully recognized when they run on the track and they break records.
The upgraded stadium is expected to be ready in time for Jamaica's role as a co-host of the 2031 FIFA Women's World Cup.
This comes at the right time to allow us to host a tournament in our redeveloped National Stadium, a world-class facility, duly retrofitted and ready to accommodate the world's best women football players.
The minister also announced that discussions are progressing on a $550 million investment to redevelop Trelawney Stadium into a world-class sports and entertainment venue to strengthen Jamaica's sports tourism product.